The elevated pistol squat is a leg exercise that primarily targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. This is another pistol squat progression exercise that is the next step after mastering the single leg touchdown squat. With this pistol squat variation, after lowering down, rather than tapping your foot on the floor, you will sweep your leg forward as you slowly work into eventually getting deeper into the pistol squat. Since you're elevating the planted foot higher, it requires less mobility in the ankle, therefore the free leg is able to sweep forward easier than if you were standing directly on the floor. Here's how to do it correctly. Place a sturdy 15-inch platform such as a step, box, or a pile of weight plates on the floor. Position your foot in the middle of the platform with your other leg hanging off the side, foot flexed. With your core contracted, hinge at the hips to push your glutes back and chest and arms forward. Squat down until your flexed foot is just above the floor, then, without touching the floor, sweep the leg forward to get into a deep pistol squat. Press your planted foot through the platform to stand back up while still balancing on one leg. Repeat all the reps on one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.